If you're someone who easily falls in love with makeup, honestly, I'm not someone who buys a lot of makeup, but I got you in trouble because I found this, and this is Moira. So if you are into makeup, beauty, and creating a best version of yourself, subscribe to this channel because I'm on the same path as you are, and taking this road together will be so much easier and so much more interesting. Are you ready? So beautiful, I don't even want to open this. But I want to open this. So, what? So if you buy
Here's
this
the letter.
one, open this one, write a letter to a friend, and you have this beauty to seal it. I like this idea. Every day I get lost in that special kind of love with you from Moira. The main reason I took this one was this eyeshadow. Really well pigmented, really sparkly, really shiny. But let's start this makeup. Let's start with this one. Looking myself right into eyes. It's really well pigmented. I love every color like this. It's real well pigmented, but how about blending? So I have a line here now, and I'll take I love it. The same for second eye. Let's try happy. Let's go for to you. That one goes really good with finger. Getting so real on the top of this one, because otherwise it will look a little bit less than I want it to be. And again, so real on the top. This feels risky. And this is always. Maybe this one is a little bit too yellowish for something I'm doing right now, but sometimes you just need to trust your gut with what you are doing. It feels okay because this to you has a little bit of yellow sparkles, almost the same as this color, so they play really well together. I want to get crazy a little bit, so we are using this color, and this is this is such a dream. Such a dream. So it looks softer than in palette, so you don't need to be afraid of that one. And by the way, I'm applying everything without any underlayer. The only thing I have is foundation on my face. So if you're into something more bright, you can just use underlayers and you will be good to go. Now I want to use Memories. And as you see, those colors really work well with each other. You know, like this one was my fave when I bought this palette, so for today I'm using this one because I want to try everything in So it's special or beautiful. It's special or beautiful. It's special or beautiful. Let's go for something that make me be doubtful. So it will be beautiful. And I'm gonna draw my eyeliner for a second time. And this is how mascara can change everything. So do we need to sum up? Don't think so, because this palette is beautiful, colors are beautiful, sparkles are amazing, pigmentation on top blends really well. And this was not a paid review. I can't recommend all segment of Moira Beauty because I don't know about it, but this palette and I think the other Love Letters series palette, they have to be really good because this one is beautiful. So I hope this video was useful for you. If yes, please hit the like button, subscribe to this channel, and see you soon. Remember that you are already beautiful, and bye bye!